Today is 30 June 2022 and uploaded a video, and you can see that is we have uploaded this video and you can see we are ranking on everything. That is what that means. We are ranking number 4 on here, number 3 on here, number 3, 6, 4. That means on each of the topics, and especially on this one we are going to be ranking because it's our own tag, and we are ranking on every one of them. Do you know how we can actually do it? The reason that we are ranking on every one of them is pretty simple. Reason is this one. This is a very short video that I'm going to be making, and that is the impressions click-through rate. The impressions click-through rate is 19.4% and it is skyrocketing. So one of the most important reason that this is happening is because that we are getting some real high traction, and through which we can actually see that we are getting results just like this, because I have put my tags just like this. I have given a link in the vidIQ onto the description. You should download it and you can use the premium plans if you want to, and you can see on the tag volume is number 5 on 5. So that means what? That means we have actually worked on that, and there are some rank tags and there are some high volume rank tags that we are actually ranking. Now why are we ranking? The main reason of that is because of only one thing, that is high CTR. Okay, the CTR is really high of ours, and that is the sole reason that we are being able to achieve something just like this. That is, we are being able to get ranking on all of this. So this video is all about cash cow niche, and that is why I'm using all these niches, that means all these tags, and after that few of them are really high in volume. That is, we are using keywords that are low competition because our channel is really small to be true, and we are using something that is of high search volume. For example, we are using all these keywords that you can see that we are easily being able to rank. Now think about it, whenever you are ranking in all of these keywords, and after that, to stay consistent, what we need is very simple. I'm going to be making another video about this, and I'm going to be giving it onto the end of the video. So watch till in the end of the video and you can click onto that video so that you know that how you can actually get better results. Because what happens, sometimes you get high CTR but the views are really less. Why it happens, I'm going to be making that video too.